Welcome! My current releases include these videos: 6 on building a large patio, and 2 on upgrading to granite in your bathroom. As you can see, I've added episode numbers to my thumbnails for easy tracking and referencing. At this time, I have plans for more than 100 additional videos. In late 2020 or early 2021, I plan to provide a multi-part series on finishing a basement to include building a bar with brick tiles and a laminate top, which looks like granite, and completing these other basement upgrades. In support of my YouTube channel, I have more than 55 years of practical experience fixing it right, dating back to my dad's coaching and my teenage woodworking experience. Combining this with my engineering expertise and filmmaking know-how, I have learned how to develop and communicate efficient and easy to understand videos that will empower you to fix it right the first time you attempt a project. With this said, all of my videos will explain what we are doing and why it is good. In addition, I will identify how long the projects will take, the tools and material that you will need, and my lessons learned. If you have any subject matter requests or recommendations, please contact me. All of this said, I recommend that you subscribe to my channel, follow my projects, and save a bundle of money doing it. At this time, I'm moving on to our next project. You're more than welcome to follow me.